My dad always said, farming, you will not become rich. But if you enjoy doing it, enjoying the land as it is, what more do you want? 26 years later, here I am, I guess. My name is Kyle Skalitzky. My occupation is a farmer, so I love the land. I like to grow things on it also. We run about 1,500 acres. We grow corn, beans, and sod. My wife asks me all the time, why do you do this? Why do you do this? You just enjoy it. You never do the same thing twice every day. You think you got something figured out, it's totally different the next year.
Kyle is an active farmer, and being an active farmer, it's a really high investment to keep these areas drained. They had a tile system and a pump system in there, which is very high maintenance.
Just a lot of extra cost. It was a struggle. I mean, when I first started in the early 90s, a guy could make a living off it. Climate changed or something changed. Couldn't make ends meet. And if you don't make a profit, you're not going to be in business long.
I've been doing wetland restoration since probably about 1990. It's a great thing. It benefits not only them because there's an incentive to put their land in the wetland program, but it benefits the whole community around them by taking floodwaters, improving water quality, and it provides great wildlife habitat.
It turned out pretty good. North side of the property, we kind of got the bigger native grass for the birds and the dry areas for the deer to bed.
You see a lot more waterfowl out here. You see a lot more other wildlife, a lot of deer.
We like hunting. I mean, that's when we got time off. That's kind of what we do, enjoy it.
We have some open water areas. We have some really good sedge meadow. So I'm very happy with the way it turned out, and I think Kyle is too.
Mark, he speaks our language as well as doing all the paperwork.
Kyle was real nice to work with. Most landowners have questions about we're not going to impact more than what we're restoring here, so that he's not going to lose other farmland adjacent to this.
You got to look at the big picture, and the way the weather's been the last 2 years was a pretty smart move. I mean, I would have lost money the last 4 years without a doubt. It'll be in my deed for as long as I live. And my boys too. It's passed on to them, so if I had to do it all over again, I would definitely do it.